Davey, 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 Davey. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to DaveyJay Today. I'm your host, DaveyJay, and today we are at the Mall of America in Bloomington, Minnesota. And I'm sure you're thinking, Davey, where have you been? Well, I've taken a few weeks off, probably over a month now since I posted a video to my YouTube channel. But I want to take this time to say thank you so much for subscribing. At DaveyJay Today, we finally hit the 1,500 subscriber mark, on our way to 2,000 subscribers. Couldn't be more thrilled about that. So I hope you keep watching and liking the videos. Like I said, I'm here in Bloomington, Minnesota at the one and only Mall of America. And I thought, why not make a quick video showcasing the 2023 Tesla Y.
With the transaxle right in it.
What is it?
The electric motor with the transaxle right
Electric motor with the transaxle.
Yeah.
Wow. This is a Tesla. I wonder what model it is. Do you know what model Tesla it is yet? Is that supposed to be the engine? What is this?
Engine's down here.
Oh, the engine's right by the axle?
Yeah. Transaxle. And then the shaft goes through there.
Pretty cool.
There's two engines right there.
Two engines?
Yeah. Right down there. With the transaxles. The wheels go on each side.
Right.
These here.
And they power each side?
Yeah.
Oh, look at, there's the calipers. I got it.
Look where the axle goes right in there. The battery's right here. This thing right here is the battery.
In the back of the trunk area.
Battery right down here.
It's amazing, super futuristic looking handles. Not bad. So for a $38,000, you could be the proud owner of a 2023 Model Y Tesla all-wheel drive. For $32,000, you could have a two-wheel drive Model Y Tesla. But if you want to bump it up to the all-wheel drive, sorry, buddy, you're gonna pay close to $40,000 US for that. This is the future of cars. Of course, I drive a 2000 Chevy Impala, which I love, and it's nothing compared to this, but hey, you gotta take what you can get.
So one motor will have two rotors.
What's the motor and the other two?
So one motor,
Yeah, so the motor itself connects to the drive shaft. So instead of having like a full-on transmission, it just pairs right up to the motor and just goes straight to the wheel.
Okay, so one is the motor and the other is the transmission.
Yes, sir. Yeah, so this is
since it was on the way home, we'd stop at the Tesla dealership here in Eden Prairie and check out the all-new 2024 Tesla Cybertruck. All for you guys. I hope you enjoy. Tesla Cybertruck. What year is this? Do you know? 2024.